Have you ever wanted to bring back your beautiful natural look on your granite? With NanoSeal, it's really easy to pour on and give it back that beautiful look. Let me show you how. It's as easy as just pouring on everywhere. Liberally apply all over the surface with a microfiber cloth. Makes it very simple, going back and forth, making sure it hits every square inch. It's okay to wipe up anything that may drip, but make sure to apply to every square inch. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and reapply anywhere that may look dry and not wet. Now I want to wipe all the residue up so that it comes off the granite or whatever's left over that didn't soak in. Then I will want to come back and use a microfiber cloth or our simple scrubber machine to buff it in to give it that beautiful finishing shine.